In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Printers Makeup app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you no longer need them, then follow these steps to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to do this, you'll need to access this app's info page, and you can do so through settings here. But the shortcut method is just to long press on your app and you should see app info. In case you are missing this, you should have a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Printers Makeup info page. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, go to permission section and go to notifications, and here you can see all the types of notifications that are on. To turn them off, just toggle off show notifications and they will all be disabled at once. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive alerts or notifications from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.